Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous segment student, we have discussed the keywords of chapter 6. In today's segment, we will discuss some question answers student. And these question answers are related to reasoning, and with the help of this, we will try to improve our scientific skill. And we will also try to know about the science in behind of these questions. So the first question is, water is not used to control fire involving electric equipments. Many times electric equipments or electric wiring have the fire student, and that fire we should not control by using water. Why? The main reason of this is student that water may dissolve some salt in it, and due to presence of that salt, that water may conduct the electricity and we may get electric shock because the water pass the electric current, and due to that we may get the electric shock. That's why we should not control the fire that is found in the electric equipments by using water student. Then what should we do? We should control that fire by using other fire extinguishers, like with the help of soil or sand we can control that fire. By using carbon dioxide containing fire extinguishers we can control that fire. So what should we do? We should not use the water because water may get past the electric current and from which we may get the electric shock. That's why we should not use water in that. Second is, LPG is considered as better domestic fuel than wood. Now what is LPG student? LPG means liquid petroleum gas, and it contains one hydrocarbon in it, and that hydrocarbon is known as butane. And LPG is considered as better domestic fuel student. That's why in our country now there is one program is going on in the name of Ujjwala Yojana. So why is it considered as better domestic fuel? Because at the time of the burning it releases very less pollutant in the environment. With this, it has high calorific value from which we can cook the food in short period of time, because it releases more heat energy student, and due to releasing the more heat energy we can cook the food in short period of time. And what is the reason in behind of it? Because it has high calorific value. Now what is the calorific value? Calorific value is the amount of heat energy that is released by a fuel after the burning. And what is its calorific value? LPG calorific value, it is in between 50 to 55,000 kilojoule per kg student. That's why what should we use? We should use LPG as domestic fuel. With this, it is also easy to handle, easy to transport. That's why LPG is considered as better domestic fuel than wood. And if we speak about the wood can be also considered as fuel, but it releases more pollutant in the environment, and with this student it is hard to handle because it produces smoke, and with this its transportation is also hard. That's why we can say that the LPG is the better domestic fuel than wood. Now we come on the next question. It is, CO2 is able to control fire. Now what is CO2? CO2 is carbon dioxide, and it is found in red color cylindrical body, and those cylindrical bodies are known as fire extinguishers. Now CO2 means the carbon dioxide is considered as for best fire extinguisher, student. Why is it considered as the best fire extinguisher? Because when we put the carbon dioxide on the particular fire, at that time that carbon dioxide makes blanket like structure around the fire, from which it cuts off the contact of oxygen with the fuel or with the burning objects, from which fire is put out, student, or burning is stopped. That's why we can say CO2 is able to control fire, means the carbon dioxide is able to control fire. Why, student? Because it makes the blanket like structure around the fire, from which it cut off the contact of oxygen. Now we come on the next question. Paper by itself catches fire easily. If we speak about the paper, student, and if we put near to it a burning matchstick, then it will easily catch the fire. Why will it catch the fire easily? Because it will have the oxygen in its surrounding, and in the presence of oxygen it can easily catch the fire. But when we wrap it around the pipe, around this pipe we wrap it, and if we try to burn this paper, then this paper will not burn easily. Now if we will try to burn this paper, student, then this paper will not burn easily. Why? Because it will not get the oxygen. It will not get the oxygen. That's why it will not catch the fire easily, because the oxygen is not provided to that paper due to the wrapping around the pipe. With this, if we will try to burn a wet paper or water having paper, then that paper will also not burn easily. Why, student? Because that paper will not have the particular ignition temperature, because all the objects need particular ignition temperature, student, and due to the presence of water, that ignition temperature is increased, and due to the increasing ignition temperature we can't burn the wet paper, because the ignition temperature is increased, student. So this is the reason. Means paper by itself catches fire easily, whereas wrapped paper around the pipe is not catch, or the wet paper not catch. Wrapped paper will not catch because it will not get the oxygen. Wet paper will not catch because it will not have the particular ignition temperature at which it starts the burning. So these are the two main reasons, student. So now you will try to write these important questions in your notebook, and you will also try to find out the reason or the scientific reason of these questions, student. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.